Hi, I want to talk you through the LevelFix fixing system. So in the kit you get a box of screws, essentially hex screws with a 5mm thick head, a driver bit, magnetic driver bit, which holds the screws in place, and a spanner for adjusting the screws. So essentially what this is a system designed to replace plastic packers when you're fitting joinery into a timber frame, and it makes life a hell of a lot easier because it's infinitely adjustable, and you can also use these screws to hold the joinery into place on the sides and create a level base very quickly and easily. So fix the screws into place. Generally, as you would with a packer, you want to put them under the stiles and the mullions. So once I've got these in place, I'll check to see if they're level, and if that needs a little bit of adjustment, you can use the spanner to adjust that, so you've got an excellent base to start from. So now that I know that's level, I then do the same, put them in each side, top and bottom, and I can put my joinery unit in place and then use the spanner to adjust these out to pinch the unit into place, so then it's ready for final fixing and filling round with expanding foam or comproband. So that's a really nice system, really quick and easy to use, designed for joinery into timber frames, and that is available on our site tftools.com.